cross-cut and finishing blade, 60 teeth. I think the hook angle on this, I believe, is 18 degrees. It's carbide teeth. So we're going to compare 3 blades here today. The first blade we got on here, it's a used blade. It's not dull, but it's not sharp. I think 60 teeth per inch. But we're going to take a slab off and see how it cuts to that blade. Well, we're through it. Didn't appear to burn or anything. Try it one more time with see how much pressure I put on it. Well, I did have to put some pressure on it and stuff. It didn't go through real easy. It wasn't too awful bad. Now we're going to apply a 40 teeth Mastercraft. I think the hooking are 18 degrees. Let the carbide tips are put on. This is not a new blade. It's not sharpened. The angle of the grind is at 10 degrees. Put her on and see how she cuts that hardwood. Turn the camera on this time and give this old blade a try. She's burning pretty bad, pretty dull. Burning pretty bad, pretty dull. I just had on a Mastercraft 40 teeth blade that was dull. These are ground at 10 degrees. A good friend of mine, Morley, used to sharpen blades years ago, and he gets his sharpened at a 15 degree bevel. Normally it's a 10 degree, but he gets his sharpened at a 15 degree bevel. You can see I'll try to compare them after this land runner. So we're going to put Morley's blade on and try it to that hardwood. So it works. Very same blade as that one, only the other one's dull. This is sharpened at 15 degrees. Let's just see how she goes through it. Let's see how that goes through it. Well, that's almost like butter. Next. And again, my good friend Morley got this blade from Weimar, Canada, made in Germany. Sorry about the reflection. It's a 10-inch blade. I believe it's made with a 10-inch bevel on the cutting edge, whatever. It's also at 18 degree hook angle on the tooth. We're going to put her on and give her a try. I told Morley I would only make a couple of cuts with it because I don't want to ruin on them. But let's see how this G-Max series made in Germany blade works. Okay, Morley, here we go with your brand new blade. Let's see how she cuts. Nice, nice. Very nice. Try that one more time. just like butter also. So we tried 4 different blades there, cutting. First one of course was a tough enough 60 teeth blade, cross cutting finish. It cut through pretty good. Second blade was 40 tooth dull blade. It just burnt the wood. Third blade was a friend of mine's blade. I get some sharpened 15 degree bevel, and it went through just like butter. It went through some nice. Really impressed. And the last one that we did was from Daimler, Canada, a G-Max series blade made in Germany. It's also a 40 teeth. I think they all have alternate top bevels on them, whatever, but this is 10 degree bevel on it, sharpened at a 10 degree bevel. This is a 15 degree bevel up here, and the other two I believe are normal 10 degree bevel. The 15 degree bevel is quite impressive. The brand new blade is impressive too. For a new blade off the shelf, a G-Max series that cuts very nice, or a lot of new blades that you buy off the shelf at a pretty cheap cost. They're not very sharp. This cuts, I'd say, pretty equal to a blade just sharpened by Fontaine. And I'll give Morley thanks for letting me try his blade. So it's time to put her to bed before I ruin her. Return it safe and sound. And the first blade, it's a Maximum blade, a Mastercraft, 12-inch blade of course, 60 teeth on her. Had the sharpened once already, whatever. He put a 13 degree hook on it. I don't know what was on it originally, probably right around that, but it's time to get it resharpened again. I take the Fontaines here in Moncton. Does a tremendous job. I'm going to take just a little more than the width of the blade off with each of these cuts. Say sheep burner pretty bad, pretty hard to get through. This is the second blade, a 12-inch DeWalt construction blade. It's 80 teeth, sharpened Fontaines in Moncton. 2016. Haven't used it yet. Not sure the degree of bevel on it or what the degree of the hook is on it. Okay, here goes blade number 2. Just like butter. Nice. And the third blade I'm going to try is it's Riptide, 12-inch blade, 40 teeth. Said there's a 5-degree hook on it, but when I got it sharpened, he's got engraved down here. It's a 7-degree hook in it. I just sharpened it October 2016, haven't used it since. This fella does a tremendous job in sharpening it. I think he's got a $70,000 machine that sharpens them. Automatic, it's all computer driven. Anyway, we'll put this one on, see how it does. Yeah, we're going to take blade number 3, take a couple little slices off of it. Pretty nice job for a 40 tooth blade. Sharpened by Fontaine. Geez, he does a good job. Much better than a new blade.